Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. Minister warns employers of strong action if they fail to pay minimum wages hiked recently, but report reveals government laxity on that count. Distressing time for farmers as some grapple with dismal yields due to substandard seeds, while others stare at prospects of distressed sale. FIR launched against OUAT professor for sexually harassing his male students after a committee finds veracity in the allegations against him. Around 40,000 students from across the state appear for pre-medical test, the results of which would be announced on June 5th. And on the sports front, Indian hockey team disappoints fans as it begins the 4-match test series with a draw against the Japanese. Now the details. Labour Minister Prafulla Malik has warned that strong action would be taken against employers and contractors if they fail to pay the minimum wages fixed by the government for workers. On May Day, the state government increased the minimum wages for daily labourers engaged in various industrial and construction activities in the state. Chief Minister Navin Patnaik announced that unskilled labourers would get Rs 200 per day, while semi-skilled labourers would get Rs 220. For skilled and highly skilled labourers, it has been fixed at Rs 240 and Rs 260 respectively. As per law, an employer violating the norms regarding minimum wages is liable for imprisonment up to 6 months along with penalty. However, a look at a government report on the enforcement of such legal action taken in case of violation reveals a different story. According to the report, 426 cases pertaining to non-payment of minimum wages were registered last year, but action has been initiated only against one violator so far.
जो माने मजदूरी खिलाफ करिवो ता पय आईनगत व्यवस्था अछि आपन जरिमाना अछि एवं दरकार पड़े जेल व्यवस्था रहिछि ताकू जरिमाना करा हबो ताठो आदाय करा जिवो से कथा बंद व्यवस्था रहिछि हम आईन रे व्यवस्था रहिछि एवं एई कथा घोषणा 3 मास सरला परे हमें जो एकु स्ट्रिक्टली एई इंप्लीमेंट होउछ ना नै हमरो लेबर इंस्पेक्टर माने एवं लेबर अफसर माने ताकू टर्निंग करके देखिबे.
Farmers in the state are going through a tough time as some of them are grappling with dismal yields on account of substandard seeds, while others are staring at the prospects of distressed sale. The farmers of Balangir district, which is famous for its onion cultivation, are now facing the prospects of distressed sale of their produce as they are not getting the desired price from the sourcing traders. Farmers here have alleged that traders are offering meager price for their produce, which doesn't even cover their capital investment in the crop. However, the horticulture officials have refuted the allegations, saying necessary arrangements have been made for the purchase and procurement of their produce. On the other hand, groundnut farmers of Krishna Prasad block in Puri district are in a state of shock amidst substantially low yields. The 12 gram panchayats of this block purchased groundnut seeds from various cooperative societies. Though the plantations were lush, the produce was dismally low. Farmers are getting a yield of around 20 to 30 quintal from the same field which used to yield 100 quintal earlier. Distressed by such dismal produce, the farmers have demanded compensation from the government. Meanwhile, the agriculture officials have said required steps will be taken after investigating the matter.
7 टका 8 टका देले हमके नहीं पोसे आगे हमें भी टाइम ऊपर आगे हम किणी कर खोजो 17 18 टका 20 टका रे भी किणी कर खाइसो हेले एते सार खत एते जिनिस पर जय करी 3.5 मास खटी करी 7 टका 8 टका देले नहीं पोसे आगे हेले हमके क्विंटल 1000 1500 हेबार 1200 हेबार कथा
काउंटा मंजरे गोटे मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन गोटे अछि आपन मार्केट यार्ड अछि जोथरे कि लोकन को दरदाम विषय रे जणाई दिया जाउछि जोटी कि कोन पड़ोसी अंचल रे हमर कोन रेट अछि प्याज रो से हिसाब रे तांको चासी मन को अपेक्षा करिया कथा तांको संगे संग न बिकी किछि दिन तांको प्याज को रखिया व्यवस्था करिया कथा उचित दर आसला पर ही मार्केट रे तांको बिक्री करिया कथा
आके प्रत्येक वर्ष 100 कुंटल भितर बादाम पाई ए वर्ष गवर्नमेंट जो बिहन देले से बिहन एठकी सुट गला रे किछि ता गोटे के आनलो गाय बळ खाइले गोटे के आनलो 20-25 कुंटल भितर सब हबो परिवार सेतर प्रतिफलन करथलु वर्तमान लक्ष नाम लोन करछि लोन को देवी कौन करी कौन से रास्ता किसी पाऊनी
जेहेतु चिनाबादाम जो अंचल जो क्षतिग्रस्त आम जो आकलन करूँ कृषि विभाग तरफ आमको रिपोर्टिंग किसी एरिया जोटा कि आम जिला प्रशासन को उपस्थापन कर क्षतिपूरण जेहेतु यहाँ गोटे क्रॉप बेस्ड जोटा कि SRC नॉर्म्स अच्छी क्रॉप कटिंग करी आमर जो यील्डटा लॉस होची सी अनुसार जदि क्रॉप कटिंग यील्ड जदि आकलन जदि आम पाखु आसे ताले क्षतिपूरण से हकदार हो पार आगामी दिनक चिनाबादान जदि करेंगे ताले से सब्सिडी दर में आम जिते परिमाण चाषी चाहूँगी पेपर कल मंड कि जिप्सम से आम देवाई निष्पत्ति नहीं।
In case of sexual harassment of male students, the authorities of College of Basic Science and Humanities under Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology OUAT yesterday lodged an FIR at Khandagiri police station against the accused chemistry assistant professor Pradeep Jaina. Last Friday, the accused was suspended after a group of students brought physical assault and sexual harassment charges against him. A committee set up to probe into the charges has found evidence against the accused for encouraging cheating during examinations and physically assaulting students. Sources said the Vice-Chancellor had set up the 3-member departmental committee comprising professors of Varsity after allegations of sexual assault were brought by 7 students against Jaina on April 8th. Around 40,000 students from across the state appeared for the All India Pre-Medical Pre-Dental Test AIPMT yesterday. The examination conducted by the Central Board of Secondary Education was held at 3 centres, Rourkela, Berhampur and Bhubaneswar. The test is the entrance examination for admission into Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery MBBS and Bachelor of Dental Surgery BDS courses in various government and private medical colleges. This year, the board has decided to publish 2 merit ranks for eligible students, state level and national level. Seats for the general category students this year will go down and the cut-off marks will go up as the state government has decided to increase seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in all government medical colleges. OJ Chairman Tushar Kant Nath said, "We will strictly follow the state government rules and regulations during the admissions in reserved categories." Sources said AIPMT results would be announced on June 5th. Irregularities in the construction worker welfare scheme of the state government in Dharamsala block of Jajpur district has been brought to the notice of the authorities. It has been found that in the Chora Mohan Panchayat under the block, more than 50 applications to avail the benefits of the scheme were submitted with forged documents. Under this scheme, the state government has provided financial assistance of Rs 25,000 per couple married after March 2014 through a labour card. The beneficiaries are required to get their credentials verified by the local sarpanch and subsequently apply for the benefits to the district labour officer. However, the Chora Mohan Sarpanch has approached the district and state labour officers alleging that a lot of couples married before 2014 have applied for benefits by forging documents. Similarly, the Dharamsala Block Development Officer has intimated the District Collector about the irregularities, after which the District Labour Officer has said that required action will be taken after conducting an inquiry into the matter.
मोर जाल पैड जाल सिग्नेचर जाल स्टाम्प रे मु जो अभियोग करछि लेबर ऑफिस रे सेटा तदंत करले मु चिरपक्त हेबी आ हम पछक मु फ्यूचर अछि मु सेतिर फसिबा न फसिबा सेति में जाके अभियोग करछि आ
वर्तमान कंप्लेन पाइला परे आमे जो बेनिफिट देबा को जाउथलु ताको बंद कर देछु। तृतीय हला ताको आमे अनुसरण करबो किछि कमिटी आमे जिबु एप्लिकेंट को पचारिबो जे एई दरखास्त तुमे काहाठु पाइलो किए देछि तुम्हें प्रकृत में तुम निजर दस्खत कर जबरदस्त आनीच से जहाँ स्टेटमेंट देवे जदि इनक्वारी जना पड़ा जाल दस्खत अच्छी ताहले आमे सेटा को रद्द कर दो।
Internationally acclaimed Odia filmmaker Sabyasachi Mahapatra received the prestigious Rajat Kamal from President Pranab Mukherjee for his film Adima Bichara at the 62nd National Film Awards function yesterday. The winners were presented the trophies by the President in the glittering function at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Adima Bichara won the Best Odia Feature Film Award. Directed by Mahapatra, the film was selected for its strong portrayal of a tribal community whose enabling humanism shows a way out of pettiness and prejudice. The movie is based on a century-old story written by Mahapatra's father, Kapileshwar Prasad. Mahapatra, best known for making cinema based on rich Odia culture, has earlier helmed popular films like Bahudi Bimo Jaga Baliya, Sabu Maya Rabaya, Bo and Sola Budha.
बहुत भल लगुच प्रभु जगन्नाथ अपार करुणार आज मो राष्ट्र पुरस्कार रिसीव कली मु तो सब बड़े कहे नवकल वर्ष प्रभुंर ये मो प्रति दया एवं माँ समलेश्वरी प्रच्छन्न आशीर्वाद मु कहबी जे ए अवार्ड ए पुरस्कार समग्र ओडिशावासी हाथ अच्छे तेणु ए पुरस्कार समग्र ओडिशावासी को समर्पित कर दूँ। आसंता काले जो निर्देशक माने युव निर्देशक माने बाहरी खाली गोटे एडवाइस बड़ भाई हिसाब से एडवाइस बी सिंसियर टू योर वर्क। फिल्म इज ए सीरियस जॉब तेणु फिल्म मेकिंग रे सब डिपार्टमेंट जमती कि स्क्रिप्ट स्क्रीन प्ले राइटिंग कैमेरा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन सबुथिरे टिके ध्यान दियंतु एवं समय दियंतु आ समस्ते निश्चय सफल हेबे कारण आमे माने तो आम मानकर तो बयस हो गलानी तो बेसी दिन करिपारिबुनी तेणु युवगोष्ठी आसतु से माने तैयारी करंतु एवं प्रभु करंतु जे सेमानकर नुआ नुआ फिल्म समग्र विश्व चहल पड़े।
Good news for the wildlife lovers and eco-tourists. Now one can watch the hatchlings of olive ridley sea turtles from home as the wildlife wing of State Forest Department is webcasting the unique phenomena from near Rushikulya River in Ganjam district, about 50 km from Berhampur. Like mass nesting, the wing has decided to webcast the crawling of baby turtles towards the sea after emerging from sand pits at Rushikulya Rukri for the sake of the wildlife lovers, said Berhampur Divisional Forest Officer S.S. Mishra. The facility will also help the forest officials minimize the crowd in Rukeri during hatchling period, he explained. Hatchlings were recorded during the period of emerging of baby turtles from the sand pits in early morning. Then it was uploaded in the website for the webcast, he said, adding that the phenomena started last Thursday and is likely to continue for some more days. A record number of more than 3 lakh olive ridley turtles had laid eggs near the Rukeri spread around 4.45 km long distance from Podampeta to Gokharakuda in the second week of March. But several eggs were destroyed and washed away due to the high tidal wave in the sea. The Chaupata for the Daru or the holy neem tree, identified for making idol of goddess Subhadra at Adhanga village in Jagatsinghpur, is in progress after the felling of the tree. To witness the ritual, thousands of devotees continue to throng the site. After the completion of the Chaupata ritual, the wood logs from the axe tree will be wrapped in special cloth and will be transported in a specifically constructed wooden cart called Sagadi. Meanwhile, the cart carrying the logs for the new idol of Balabhadra reached Tejpur yesterday and will resume its journey towards Puri this evening. Long queues of devotees waiting for a glimpse of the Daru are being witnessed on the route of the cart. At Khoripadia in Raghunathpur area of Jagatsinghpur district, unprecedented number of devotees are turning up to offer worship and have a glimpse of the Daru identified for the new idol of Lord Jagannath. Preparations are on at Khoripadia for the Mahayagya ahead of the axing of the tree.
गोटे दिव्य अनुभूति अनुभूत होची प्रकृत ठाकुर थिला बेले लागुची बहुत सुंदर अनुभूति आज्ञा रोचे ठी
गछर जो अंश मुख्य अंश हमर जहा दरकार मां सुभद्रा को ताको आमे नै जिवु तो सही काम चलछि या पर सगडी हमर प्रस्तुत होई कि अछि आसंता 2 दिन भितरे सगडी ऊपर प्रस्तुत होई 5 किबा 6 तारिख दिन पूरी यात्रा करिवे.
On the other hand, the district administration is gearing up to complete all infrastructural development in time for the upcoming mega ritual Nabakalibar in Puri. In this regard, the Development Commissioner has urged all the concerned departments to undertake work on war footing to ensure their completion on time. A review meeting for the purpose was held at Puri Circuit House in presence of Nabakalibar Infrastructure Development Committee Chairperson Maheshwar Mahanti, Development Commissioner Upendra Behra, Water Resources Secretary Pradeep Jaina and Puri Collector Arvind Agrawal. The meeting took stock of health, sanitation, drainage, sewerage, infrastructure, etc., in which the senior officials of the concerned departments were also present. Especially, the meeting laid a lot of emphasis on the progress of drainage infrastructure. The discussions in the meeting revealed that the installation of pipelines for supply of drinking water is complete and provisions for overhead tanks are ready.
Swasthya, parimala, drainage, sewerage, even electricity connection, ये समस्त विषय रिव्यू करथिलु. माननीय चेयरमैन नवकलेवर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कमिटी सह आमे विभिन्न जगह आज बुलीलु सहर विभिन्न जगह बुलीलु प्राय 3 टा 6टा पर्यंत 3 घंटा धरी विभिन्न जगह बुलीलु विशेषकर जो सीवरेज काम चलची ड्रेनेज काम चलची एवं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रो जो अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग काम चलती रास्ता काम चलती सब देखी थ्रू देखला आमर अनेक गुड़े काम आहुरी एक्सपेडाइट करिया हम विशेषकर आमको जो ड्रेनेज काम सब आरंभ हो विभिन्न जगार सरी पारे सेगुड़ा को एक्सपेडाइट कर खूब शीघ्र वर्क डिपार्टमेंट को हस्तांतर कले से माने रास्ता काम भी सारे तेणु से समस्त वर्क ड्रेनेज डिपार्टमेंट एवं स्टोरेज डिपार्टमेंट निर्दिष्ट टाइम लाइन स्थिर कर तारीख सुधा शेष कर आरएनबी को हैंडओवर कले आरएनबी रास्ता काम टाइमली सारी पार ये समस्त विषय आज आम रिव्यू कर
नवकलर कार्यक्रम जहाँ रास्ता घाट जल जोगाण सदस्य विद्युत ये समस्त कार्यक्रम युद्धकालीन भितर चली किसी कार्य ड्रेनेज काम जो टे विलंबित रास्ता घाट निर्माण कार्य विलंबित होती तेणु से आज आम आम डेवलपमेंट कमिशनर और समस्त वार्ड सेक्रेटरी और वाटर डिस्ट्रिब्यूशन सेक्रेटरी और अन्य समस्त अधिकारी मैंने जिलापाल बुलिक देखीचु और जो कार्य विभाग द्वारा डेरी होती निर्दिष्ट समय सीमा धार्य कर 15 तारीख समय सीमा दी जाए 15 तारीख पर से कार्य रास्ता कार्य आरंभ कर नवकलर बहुत किसी असुविधा हेनी समस्त कार्य संपूर्ण हो।
Displaying rusty defense, Indian men's hockey team played out a 1-1 draw against Japan to begin its 4-match test series on a disappointing note at Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar yesterday. For India, drag flicker VR Raghunath converted a penalty corner in the 44th minute to get even with their opponents after Japan drew first blood in the second quarter. After a couple of unsuccessful penalty corner attempts by both the teams, Japan struck in the 19th minute. Attacks and counter-attacks continued in the second and the third quarters as India finally broke even in the third quarter. Before wrapping up the headlines once again, Minister warns employers of strong action if they fail to pay minimum wages hiked recently, but report reveals government laxity on that count. Distressing time for farmers as some grapple with dismal yields due to substandard seeds, while others stare at prospects of distressed sale. FIR lodged against OUAT professor for sexually harassing his male students after a committee finds veracity in the allegations against him. Around 40,000 students from across the state appear for pre-medical test, the results of which would be announced on June 5th. And on the sports front, Indian hockey team disappoints fans as it begins the 4-match test series with a draw against the Japanese. Thank you for watching. Good night.